Hey everyone. So, sorry I didn't make my video yesterday. I was really busy, and yeah, I'm not really gonna go into detail on it. It was just a lot of stuff going on. But as you can tell, I got my hair cut. I, I'm pretty sure I made a video last weekend. Um, but then again, I'm not sure. I've been really busy lately with school and all this other stuff that's going on. Um, so yeah, I've definitely been slacking on my videos, and I'm really sorry for that. Um, but yeah, um, just to catch up and everything. Um, I know in my last video I talked about how Dee and I broke up, and I think I told you guys I'm back together with Kat. I'm not sure, but if I didn't tell you that, then yeah, I'm back with Kat. Um, it's been 2 weeks now. Our 1 month will actually be on January 1st, so, New Year's Day. Um, so, yeah, I still don't know what I'm gonna get her for Christmas. I have no idea. So, hopefully I'll, get her something good. But, yeah, I've just been really busy lately. Um, and I know it was either my last video or the video before that, I was talking about how, my friend is probably gonna start making videos on this channel. I'm still talking to her about that, and, I'm gonna see what the plan is and what's going on with that. So, yeah, I think that's about it as far as I know. Not much has been going on, so, yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted, and all that good stuff. So, um, yeah. I'll remind myself to make videos on every Saturday now. I'm gonna put it in my calendar on my phone. I'm gonna put it on my calendar in my room. I'm gonna do everything to remember to make videos every Saturday. So, I love you all, and I hope you guys are being safe. Um, yeah, that's about it. Well, see you next time, guys. Bye.